Crash course on Canadian literature. Talk about Canadian authors and literature. Canadian literature is a diverse and rich collection of works that reflect the country's history, culture, and unique identity. Canada has produced many notable authors whose works have received critical acclaim and worldwide recognition. In this crash course, we will explore Canadian literature, discuss some of its most famous authors, and highlight their representative works. Margaret Atwood. Atwood is perhaps one of the most famous Canadian authors, known for her feminist and dystopian novels. Her most famous work, The Handmaid's Tale, tells the story of a dystopian future where women are subjugated and treated as property. This novel has been adapted into a popular TV series and has become a symbol of feminist resistance. Alice Munro. Munro is a master of the short story, known for her vivid portrayals of small-town life in Canada. Her most famous collection, The Beggar Maid, explores the life of a young woman named Rose who must navigate the complexities of love and family in rural Ontario. Michael Ondaatje. Ondaatje is a Sri Lankan-born Canadian author known for his poetic prose and explorations of identity and memory. His most famous novel, The English Patient, won the Booker Prize and was adapted into a highly acclaimed film. Yann Martel. Martel is a Canadian author known for his imaginative and philosophical works. His most famous novel, Life of Pi, tells the story of a young boy stranded on a lifeboat with a Bengal tiger, exploring themes of faith, survival, and the power of storytelling. Lawrence Hill. Hill is a Canadian author of Jamaican descent known for his works that explore themes of identity and belonging. His most famous novel, The Book of Negroes, tells the story of a young girl who is captured and enslaved in Africa, brought to America, and eventually achieves freedom in Nova Scotia. Lucy Maud Montgomery. Montgomery is a beloved Canadian author known for her classic novel, Anne of Green Gables. The novel tells the story of an imaginative and spirited young girl named Anne who is adopted by a pair of siblings on Prince Edward Island. Montgomery's works have become cultural touchstones in Canada and beyond. Robertson Davies. Davies was a Canadian author and playwright known for his works that explore themes of identity, religion, and Canadian culture. His most famous novel, Fifth Business, tells the story of a man named Dunstan Ramsay and his journey towards self-discovery and redemption. Esi Edugien. Edugien is a Canadian author of Ghanaian descent known for her works that explore themes of race, identity, and history. Her most famous novel, Washington Black, tells the story of a young slave who escapes his plantation and travels the world in search of freedom. Thomas King. King is a Canadian author and First Nations activist known for his works that explore themes of identity and colonialism. His most famous novel, Green Grass, Running Water, tells the story of a group of First Nations people who come together to reenact creation stories and challenge the dominant narrative of Western civilization. Dionne Brand. Brand is a Canadian author and poet known for her works that explore themes of race, gender, and identity. Her most famous novel, At the Full and Change of the Moon, tells the story of a young woman's journey towards self-discovery in the context of Caribbean culture and history. These Canadian authors and their works represent just a small fraction of the diverse and dynamic landscape of Canadian literature. They are a testament to the richness and complexity of Canada's culture and history, and an invitation to explore and discover the many voices that make up the Canadian literary tradition. Here are 12 Canadian masterpieces that have won both national and international awards, along with URLs where they can be purchased. 1. The Handmaid's Tale, by Margaret Atwood. This dystopian classic has won numerous awards, including the Governor-General's Award and the Arthur C. Clarke Award. Available at https://www.amazon.com/handmaids-tale-margaret-atwood/dp/038549081x. 2. Life of Pi, by Yann Martel. This imaginative and philosophical work won the Man Booker Prize and has been adapted into a successful film. Available at https://www.amazon.com/life-pi-yann-martel/dp/01560273321. 3. The Stone Diaries, by Carol Shields. This novel won the Pulitzer Prize and the Governor-General's Award for Fiction, and explores themes of identity and self-discovery. Available at https://www.amazon.com/stone-diaries-novel-carol-shields/dp/014023313x. 4. The Blind Assassin, by Margaret Atwood. This complex and multi-layered novel won the Booker Prize and explores the intricacies of family relationships and secrets. Available at https://www.amazon.com/blind-assassin-margaret-atwood/dp/0385720955. 5. The English Patient, by Michael Ondaatje. This poetic and lyrical novel won the Booker Prize and was adapted into an Oscar-winning film. Available at https://www.amazon.com/english-patient-michael-ondaatje/dp/0679745203. 6. The Apprenticeship of Duddy Kravitz, by Mordecai Richler. This novel won the Governor General's Award and explores the life of a young Jewish man in Montreal. Available at https://www.amazon.com/apprenticeship-duddy-kravitz-mordecai-richler/dp/0143051240. 7. The Cat's Table, by Michael Ondaatje. This novel won the Commonwealth Writers' Prize and explores the journey of a young boy from Sri Lanka to England. Available at https://www.amazon.com/cats-table-michael-ondaatje/dp/0307744416. 8. The Wars, by Timothy Findley. This novel won the Governor General's Award and explores the experiences of a young Canadian soldier during World War I. Available at https://www.amazon.com/wars-timothy-findley/dp/0140063477. 9. The Road Past Altamont, by Gabrielle Roy. This novel won the Governor General's Award and explores the experiences of a young French-Canadian woman in rural Manitoba. Available at https://www.amazon.com/road-past-altamont-gabrielle-roy/dp/0771099825. 10. The Luminaries, by Eleanor Catton. This novel won the Man Booker Prize and explores a complex web of intrigue and mystery in 19th-century New Zealand. Available at https://www.amazon.com/luminaries-novel-eleanor-catton/dp/0316074314. 11. The Revenant, by Michael Punk. This novel won the Mountains and Plains Book Award and tells the story of a frontiersman's journey of survival and revenge in the 19th-century American West. Available at https://www.amazon.com/revenant-novel-michael-punk/dp/1250101190. 12. Indian Horse, by Richard Wagamese. This novel won the First Nations Communities Read Award and explores the experiences of a young Indigenous man who finds solace in the game of hockey. Available at https://www.amazon.com/indian-horse-richard-wagamese/dp/157131130. These 12 masterpieces represent some of the best in Canadian literature, and have been recognized both nationally and internationally for their excellence. Each work offers a unique perspective on a particular aspect of Canadian life or history, and together they provide a rich tapestry of Canadian literature. For example, Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale has become a feminist classic and a cautionary tale about the dangers of totalitarianism, resonating with readers across the globe. Jan Martel's Life of Pi offers a fantastical exploration of the human condition and the power of storytelling, while Carol Shields' The Stone Diaries is a nuanced portrait of a woman's life, from birth to death. The Blind Assassin, by Margaret Atwood, offers a complex and layered story that weaves together the lives of two sisters, while Michael Ondaatje's The English Patient explores themes of identity and love against the backdrop of World War II. Mordecai Richler's The Apprenticeship of Denny Kravitz is a biting satire of the Canadian dream and the pursuit of success, while Timothy Findley's The Wars offers a poignant and haunting portrayal of the horrors of war. Gabrielle Roy's The Road Past Altamont is a poignant and insightful exploration of French-Canadian identity, while Eleanor Catton's The Luminaries offers a complex and intricate mystery set in colonial New Zealand. Michael Punk's The Revenant is a gripping tale of survival and revenge set in the American West, while Richard Wagamese's Indian Horse explores the devastating legacy of residential schools on Indigenous communities. These works, along with countless others, demonstrate the richness and diversity of Canadian literature. Whether exploring themes of identity, history, or the human condition, Canadian authors have made a significant impact on the world of literature and continue to produce works that resonate with readers both at home and abroad. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.